In a flurry of court filings on Christmas Eve, Rudy Giuliani begged Judge Louis Lyman to please, Judge, do not sanction me for violating the terms that you had laid out as part of the defamation settlement, but please do not sanction me because I've got nothing left. I've done all I can. I've given these two former Georgia election workers everything I have. What more do you want from me, Judge? Please don't hit me with more sanctions. Now, in case you're wondering what these court filings are regarding, it's the fact that Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, their lawyers, recently filed a petition with the judge asking Judge Louis Lyman to go ahead and sanction Rudy Giuliani because he is still, in several interviews over the last few months, saying incorrect things about these two women, still accusing them essentially of rigging the 2020 election in the state of Georgia. That is a violation of a court order that was handed down against Rudy Giuliani as part of the settlement, saying, you're not allowed to talk bad about these women ever again. And if you do that, you're going to be in violation. I'm going to hold you in contempt. And after he continued to do it, lawyers for these women were like, Judge, right here, you got to do something about this guy. So the judge had set a hearing, which got delayed. I think it was supposed to be December 12th. But Giuliani told the judge, like, Judge, I got no lawyers. What am I going to do? So the judge was like, all right, shut up. I'll postpone it a couple weeks. And the contempt hearing is, of course, coming up this Friday, January 3rd. So ahead of that, Giuliani puts out these filings. And he tried to accuse the two women, by the way. He's the one who violated the terms of the settlement. But he's like, no, they actually violated the terms of the settlement because they didn't, quote, sign an oath to receive my property. Here's what he put in there. A temporary receiver, before entering upon his duties, shall be sworn faithfully and fairly to discharge the trust committed to him. The oath may be administered by any person authorized to take acknowledgments of deeds by the real property law. The oath may be waived upon consent of all parties. Hence, the receivership has not yet technically or legally begun. Under applicable law, Plaintiff Ruby Freeman and Plaintiff Wandrea Moss should not be permitted to act and cannot act as receivers at this time or until oaths are properly executed and filed with the court. I respectfully submit this declaration in opposition to the plaintiff's motion to hold defendant in civil contempt and impose sanctions. The court should see that I gave everything that I could give. I gave items of furniture and sports memorabilia that were not specifically listed on the court's turnover order, but I gave them anyway to ensure that I was complying with this court's orders. It is respectfully requested that plaintiff's motions for contempt and sanctions be denied in its entirety, and for such other and further relief as this court deems just and proper. So he's like, I have done everything I should. I actually went above and beyond what the court told me to do. But these ladies over here, they're actually the ones in violation. Maybe you got to sanction them. I don't know, Judge. What are you going to do? My guess is the judge is going to sanction you. I mean, based on what we've seen so far, based on your almost completely incoherent court filing here, like rambling on about like, I've given everything, I got nothing else. Yeah, it doesn't matter in the eyes of the law. You violated the order. You continued to claim that these women stole the 2020 election in the state of Georgia. That's a clear violation. And hopefully, the judge is going to make you pay an even higher price for that. Thanks for watching today, everybody. And don't forget, if you're not already, please do subscribe to this channel. We have fresh content going up every single day, and I would really hate for you to miss out on that. And speaking of missing out, if you're not following me across all other social media outlets, then get on it. You can follow the links in the description of this video.